Here is how to set a minimum billing increment in Clio Manage. With Clio Manage already open and your account signed in, begin from the main workspace. Look to the left navigation menu and click Settings. This opens the area where account-wide options are managed, including billing preferences that affect how time is handled when bills are created. Once you are in Settings, find the Clio Settings section and click Billing. This takes you to the billing configuration page. When the page opens, make sure the General tab is selected before continuing. If another tab is active, switch back to General so you are working in the correct section for time rounding. From there, scroll down the page until you reach the time rounding section. This is where Clio Manage controls how recorded time is adjusted during billing. In that section, check the box beside Enable Time Rounding. Until that box is selected, the rounding options below it will not apply to billing. After enabling time rounding, use the available settings in that same section to choose the billing increment you want Clio Manage to round up to when generating bills. The options shown here determine how time entries are adjusted at the billing stage, so select the increment that fits the billing structure your firm uses. Take a moment to review the billing increment you selected. Confirm that the setting matches your firm's billing requirements before saving. This is the point where you want to make sure the rounding rule reflects the amount of time that should be billed as the minimum increment when entries are processed for invoices. When everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This records the update to your billing settings so the selected rounding increment is applied going forward when bills are generated. If the page refreshes or briefly pauses after you save, wait for the update to complete and then confirm that the setting remains selected. That final check helps ensure the change was saved properly in the billing configuration. Thanks for watching. Your minimum billing increment is now set in Clio Manage.